Hey guys, how are you? Happy Friday. I wanted to really touch on the subject today of following up and how that's really a key component in your business. And, that really manifests itself in various ways. When you have sent, the information to people, I just encourage, like, let's say they're responding to your ads that you've placed on Facebook. I encourage you to write down their name and address, and then you can go back. Obviously, if you've gotten that from inside Messenger, you've been connecting with them in Messenger. Go ahead and follow up with them. And one of the things that you can say is you can just say, "Hey, I wanted to touch base with you." Whatever the person's name is. "Hi, Michelle. How are you? Just wanted to follow up with you and make sure you received the information that I sent you in the mail." Or when you're sending it, maybe indicate to them, "Please message me and let me know when you've actually received the details from me," because they'll want the instructions. It's a form of really stepping into leadership for them and letting them know, "Hey, I'm here for you. If you have any questions," and people want that direction. They want to see that, from people. And so you want to be sure and do that. If it's been a while, like right now, I'm kind of challenged with that because of the fact that, I'm starting over with my Facebook. I'm having to go back and add people gradually. I can only send so many friend requests. So I'm kind of behind on my following up right now. And you can say something like, "Hey, Michelle, I wanted to reach out to you. Didn't want you to think I had forgotten about you. Wanted to touch base and see if you received the information that I mailed to you." So you can say things like that, or, that I wasn't intentionally neglecting you, just kind of break the ice with them, but still follow up, still follow up with people. How the term is stated, the fortune is in the follow up. That is so true. The fortune is in the follow up. And sometimes it's months. Sometimes it's months of developing a relationship before people will partner with you in business. You have your right now people. You have your people that you're going to plant the seed right now, and they're going to blossom in April. Or you're going to plant the seed in April and they're going to blossom in August, or whatever it is. So it's going to vary from person to person. The other thing too is, in terms of the if people are repeatedly asking you for information from the posting that you're doing, the ads that you're putting out there, and you're seeing people connect and ask for information again, that is such a positive thing. Do not look at that as a negative. That is an invitation for follow-up. And basically what that means is, A, your marketing is effective because they're seeing it and they're responding to it. So they're making those steps. Let's say they've asked for information 3-4 times. Just say to them, be positive and say, "It is great to get your request again." If it's a third request for information, say, "I appreciate these requests, for information. And, with your permission, would it be okay if we connected on the phone?" That is your invitation, guys, to get on the phone with people. They are no longer a cold market person, so to speak, at that point. They're warm and getting very warm because they're seeing you. They're recognizing you, and now they need the connection with you. And you can say to them, you can say, when you hop on that phone and you call them, you can say, "Hey, it's so cool to be connecting," instead of just, chatting back and forth, on Messenger, and just break the ice, be yourself. And that can really be a form of the fortune is in the follow-up. So I really hope that these tips that I've given you guys, they help you. If you need help with how to word certain things that you're putting in the chats as responses, I'd be glad to help with that. But, just get in there, guys. Dig in there. People, this is a relationship business across the board, regardless of the business that you're promoting. And the more that you do this, the more, natural to you that it will become. And you will be able to partner with people and really have a great business operating for you. So anyway, make it a great day and take care.